up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got a 4-day trading week coming up. Today was a holiday, so we will get after it first thing in the morning, guys. So if you are not already a part of the Discord, the link for that is down in the description below, okay? And for everybody else, consider joining the money team, guys. We got 4 days to get after it this week. Also, guys, with that being said, if you have not, please watch the lives and the videos that took place over the course of the weekend, just to kind of make sure you have the right head space, the right perspective in case you're dealing with things on the journey, okay? I try to put out content that is edifying and that could be fortifying for you guys, so please don't overlook those things just because it was a holiday. All right, go back and watch them, listen to them, share them, comment, subscribe, do all of that, okay? With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes, and without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, guys, check it out. I'm gonna get right to it today because there's plenty of content that you guys need to go back and watch on over the weekend that took place in the holiday, okay? Nvidia, in terms of stocks I want on your watch list, in terms of things that's going to move. Ticker symbol on this one is NVDA. It is currently sitting at $1,083. Guys, I wouldn't even be surprised if we go ahead and crack the $1,100 mark, okay? Now look at this. June 6th, there will be a stock split. Historically, whenever a company announces a stock split, the company runs up into that period, okay? So you guys got another 2 to 4 weeks of a run up in Nvidia. All right, so I want this on your radar because I want you guys to make some money to the upside as it relates to Nvidia. I wouldn't be surprised if this gets to $1,250, to be honest, over the next 2 weeks. And so you got another little runway. I'm gonna say about 2 to 4 weeks before this crash, okay? So get in. If you want to trade, it's a lot easier to get in and out, okay? Your expiration dates are going to end at some point in time, so you just make your money within that time period. But have Nvidia on deck for me, guys, in terms of things that is going to do its thing, all right? And then check this one out. Meta, ticker symbol META, currently sitting at 478. I want this one on your radar too. I like it a lot lower than this, so now as we approach 500, I want you guys to again look to see. This was up 1.36% last week. In the past month, it is up 12%. So look at this, guys. This came down from being way down here at 427. All right, it is climbing, okay, and it is making its way back to this 480 range. All right, and if we can break through this 480 range, that opens the door for us to go and recapture 500, which is around where we fell from, okay? So listen to this, guys. Another stock alongside Nvidia that I want on your radar is Meta, okay? Have those two, and listen, these two, even more so Meta, these are great long-term investments as well, okay? If you don't have these as a part of your portfolios and you said, Coach, what kind of stock should I be buying? Okay, I got some money. I need to know what to buy. I don't like buying anything at all-time highs or things like that, but you can always dollar cost average. And if you need to buy something, let Meta be one of those ones that you choose from, okay? With that being said, guys, Nvidia, Meta, and now number 3. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. This one is volatile, guys. So you are going to get taken on a roller coaster ride with this one, to the upside and the downside, but that's why we love it, okay? You're going to be able to make money in both directions, so please understand what you're getting yourself into. Tesla, guys, sitting at 179 at the time of this. Check this out. On the past week, it was flat, up almost 0.55%. Okay, but look, they shot from the dead, 173. They shot up here over $13. They really went to like 187. Okay, boom. But look, any move that goes up, you always come back to retrace the move. Okay, so they came all the way back down from 173 back to 173. Okay, so look at this, 173 They went up to 186. They came all the way back down to 173. Now, where they're looking to climb back to, boom, they're going to be looking to go back to 180. That's going to be the next target. And then recapturing this high at 182 opens the door for us to get back to the upside. Listen, guys, I talked to you guys about the fact that when this was at 186, I told you this was going to come down to 170. You guys have options, okay? You can, Coach told us this was coming down, so you could have rolled puts down. You don't have to do any of this, but I want you guys to see all the money making opportunities. At 186, I made a video and said this is coming to 173 and 170. Okay, so the puts was the play here that could have got here, but at 170, I said we are all buying calls. Okay, if you bought calls at 170, 173, and 178 levels we called out, boom, look at where we're currently sitting at 179 at the time of this. I want you guys to see the big 50,000 foot view of the game. Okay, I've been doing this a lot longer than most online, so I'm catching these moves in both directions because I know where they're going already well in advance, which is why I make the videos for you guys telling you these things. Okay, so regardless of what side, just be on the right side of whatever you choose to play. As you get more seasoned, as you get more experience, you'll catch both moves too, and you'll see, man, one move made me 50,000, the other move made me 50,000. Just like that, I made 100K. You will see that those things are truly possible. If your number is not 100K based on what you're playing with, it might be 5K in one direction, 10K in the opposite direction. It's possible is what I'm trying to get you guys to see, guys. But I call this out way in advance. Every level was hit to a T. It's just about execution and making sure you're on the right side of the trade, okay? But Tesla is one I want on your radar. If they can't get above 180, guys, guess what? It's coming right back here to 173 and 170. Guys, keep the game simple. Never let nobody overcomplicate this game for you. And then, guys, number 4 is Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR, sitting at $21.04 in a $20 range. I like to load up in the 2019. If I ever see that, I will continue to load up. Why? Because my numbers are still standing. Okay, 23, 27, and once we get through those levels, being above 27, clearing it, holding that will open the door for $30. Okay, that's how we get there. Over the week, they were down. Look at this. Okay, the low they came to was 2066. I like that level. If you bought right here and you just took it to where it's at right now, that is a big move. That's a life-changing move. Just buying the bottom. Okay, down flat for the month. Okay, over the past 3 months, it's down 8%. So look, once it got to 26, 27. It came down. So that's letting you know where resistance at. Look at support. 20. Look at this bottom. 1, 2, 3. That's a triple bottom, guys. Don't rule out a move to the upside. Just like if you got a double bottom, stocks is going up. Same is true for a triple bottom. But listen to this. In case it fails, you need to be looking for $19 as well. Okay, it's all going back up long term. But that don't mean short term you don't have to deal with what's in front of you. Okay, so again, guys, show up in the market ready to go tomorrow. Remember, the trend is your friend. Your job is to be on the right side of the trade. All right, it's not okay to be wrong, but it's definitely, you can't stay wrong. Okay, so you have to pivot, adjust, and do what you need to do to make sure things work in your favor. Why? Because you are the CEO of your portfolio, but you must run your race at your pace. Listen to this, guys. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Make sure you guys grab some stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.